POLLY Crisis, the Dead Planet sketch. A parody of Monty Python's Dead Parrot sketch. Excuse me, I wish to register a complaint. We're closing for lunch. Never mind that, my lad. I wish to complain about this planet, what I purchased not half an epoch ago from this very boutique. Yes. Planet Earth, beautiful model, blue marble, self-regulating biosphere, excellent choice. The model I purchased from you is dead. No, it's resting. Resting? Remarkable planet, the Earth. Lovely planetary biodiversity. Probably tired after 4 billion years. The only reason this planet would be tired is because it's been run into the ground by fossil fuels, overconsumption, ecological overshoot, and short-time political motives. No, it's pining. Pining? Pining for the Holocene. Look, matey, I know a dead planet when I see one, and I'm looking at one right now. No, it's not dead. It's not dead? Nah, it's merely transitioning. Transitioning into what? A green growth opportunity. The atmosphere is overheating. Dynamic thermal optimization. The oceans are acidifying. Mineral rebalancing. The pollinators are collapsing. Agile biodiversity restructuring. Half of the rivers are poisoned. Circular water innovation. The food system is failing. Supply chain flexibility. The economy is drowning in debt. Liquidity expansion. There are wars on over energy and resources. Geopolitical vibrancy. AI is destabilizing all the labour markets. Productivity enhancement. This is not adaptation, this is collapse. Collapse is such a negative word. I'll tell you what's negative. This planet has ceased to function. It has expired and gone to meet its maker. This is a late planet. It's a stiff, bereft of resilience. It rests in peace. If you hadn't nailed its quarterly GDP targets, it would be pushing up the daisies. Its metabolic processes are now history. It's off the twig. It's kicked the bucket. It's shuffled off its carbon budget mortal coil. Run down the curtain and join the choir invisible. This is an X-planet. Well, it's not quite dead. What do you call this then? This is a POLLY crisis. Oh, what? What's the difference? It's entirely different. Explain. A single crisis is a problem. A POLLY crisis is several catastrophic systemic failures interacting non-linearly across tightly coupled global systems. That sounds even worse. Much worse. So I'll call it a POLLY crisis. Because it sounds intellectual and buys us another decade of procrastination. So the planet is dying. Well, yes. Then why didn't you say so, my lad? You asked about the planet. Yeah. I thought you were asking about the economy. What? The economy is doing splendid. How? Line goes up. Even while everything burns? Especially while everything burns. Right, I'd like a refund. Can't. Why not? No planet B. So what are we going to do then? It's easy. Let's squawk. What? More bite. That's your solution. It's a start. Fair enough. Cup of tea? Yes, please. Well, ends in 10 minutes. Plenty of time then.